G'day, James here, Manual Turbo Ponsonby, 21 Pollen Street, Lynn, Auckland, right in the heart of the city. Lots of car parking here, and we'd like to see you. Today we're looking at a great looking Ford Ranger. We're going to give it a little bit of an upgrade, and we're going to talk to you about some tyres now. We're going to be looking at the Nitto Terragrappler. So the Nitto Terragrappler is the tyre of choice for today. All-terrain tyre, able to be approved width, 7.5 to 9.5 inches on a 265 50/20, but today we're actually going to go to a 285 50/20, so we're oversizing the tyre around about 3%. We're going to now move our way through to our wheel choice. Customer has chosen a very specific wheel. So let's unbox this and see what we've got. Voila. Great looking wheel. We have here the fuel vapor. We're looking here at the standard Ranger wheel. This here has an offset of 50 and we're going to an offset of 20. This here is an 18 by 8. We're going to a 20 by 9. So on the Ranger, as we come through here, we're going to find that the wheel itself is going to protrude out of the guard with that. So we're going to put on a flare kit. Now we're looking at giving us around about sort of 40mm and over fender clip-on flare.